In this video, I will show you how to change League of Legends name for free. So, the first thing you need to do is go to this app and then go to shop. After that, click on account and go ahead and click on Riot ID change, click on continue, and then you will sign in your account here. And then after you sign in your account, you will see the account management, and then you will go here. And after that, you will see this game name and tagline in Riot ID, and then after that you will see a reminder here saying Riot ID can be changed every 90 days. So you will be able to change it again on 1/28/2026. So for me, I can't change my name because I only change it when it's January 28 because of the 90 days. So when you change the game name or the name here, make sure that you decided the name you want and double check if the spelling is correct. And after you change it, click on save here. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.